last thing you guys got, you got a star squat. You gotta make sure in the star squat, the most important part is to make sure you let us know you're a star. So when you get to the top, you gotta yell, I'm a star. So what you got? You're gonna have your feet tight together. You're gonna touch down as far down as you can and then up to the top. All right, as up to the top as high as you can, keeping your head and chest vertical. Take over right there, Amy. You're gonna up as high as you can. You wanna make sure you're also opening up your hips, opening up your hips, opening up your hips. That's different than kind of keeping them closed. And if you need to modify it, you wanna make sure that you just go up to a star without jumping, Modifications for every single exercise. All right, you guys can take off, pick which one you like. Star squats, go ahead and do it. Yes. Keep your head and chest vertical, head and chest vertical. Head and chest vertical.
Blake is a star.
Yeah.
Amy is a star. Andrew is a star.
One more point. If you can't reach quite down, you guys can take it easy. If you can't quite reach down to your feet, you just want to get a little bit higher. Don't bend over. Keep it upwards. All right? Thank you guys. Boom. Thank you guys.